let's look at your sentence. Every sentence begins with a capital letter. So we begin with a capital T. Toss the bundle onto, compound word, the table is a period. This is a bossy sentence. It's telling you what to do, imperative. So we end with a period. All right, we have final stable syllables in bundle and table. All right, check your work. When you're ready, you may turn your paper over and pencils are down. Echo these words and listen for the sound they all have in common. Listen. Out. Foul. Pout. What sound do you hear in all of those words? Yes, we hear ow. That's right. Now, let's look at those words and see what's making the ow sound. Out. Foul, pout. Boys and girls, what is making the owl sound? Yes, O-U, out, owl, out. All right, O-U is something that we have not discussed before. It's called a diphthong. A diphthong is two vowel sounds that come together so fast that they're considered to be one syllable. We code them with an arc. So you code them the same way you would a combination. All right, so here, this ow sound we hear is called a diphthong. Now, echo these words and listen for the sound they all have in common. Listen. Soup. Wound, tour. What sound do you hear? Yes, we hear the ooh sound. Soup, wound, tour. Soup, wound, tour. All right. Now, what's making the ooh sound in these words? O-U. So O-U has more than one sound. All right. O-U in this word is a digraph. Two letters that come together to make one sound. So O-U can be a diphthong or it can be a digraph. All right, the difference between digraphs and diphthongs is that digraphs are two letters that come together and only make one sound, whereas diphthongs are two vowel sounds that come together so fast they're considered one syllable. All right, now let's test this. Can you hear the two vowel sounds in owl? Can you hear it? Owl. All right, it's stretched out, right? Now, listen to this one. Ooh. Do you hear two sounds in there? No. All right, now, you may have noticed that our mouths move when we say the two sounds of the diphthong. Ow, the O-U, look at your mouth. Ow. You move it twice. Where over here, the ooh, it only moves how many times? One. Look again. Watch it. Ow. Ooh. Watch my mouth. Ow. Ooh. You see the difference in my mouth? Moves twice here. Moves once here. All right, that will help you a little bit deciding which one is a diphthong and which one is a digraph. Two sounds, one sound. Okay, now, here we will code, if it's got the diphthong sound where you hear the two, we will code it with an arc. If it's got the digraph sound, the one, we underline it to know it has one sound. So let's look at it. All right, listen to it again. Out, ow, ow. It's moving twice, so that's the diphthong sound. So I'm going to code it with an arc. Foul, ow. Pout, ow. And then here we have soothe, ooh, ooh. It's almost like that long U sound that says ooh, right? So we're going to underline the long, or put a macron over the long U, because sometimes the long U makes that ooh sound, right? So that's how we're going to code the digraph ooh, the digraph OU. Ooh. So let's read these words again. What word? Out, foul, pout, and then we have the ooh sound. Soup, wound, tour. There you go. All right. Now let's look at our new cards. Now, when we name the letters, this has two sounds. So my turn. Diphthong and digraph OU. What will you say? Diphthong and digraph OU. Say it again. Diphthong and digraph OU. All right. Now, for your first sound. All right, for the owl sound, the diphthong sound, this is something that is a small little rodent. A lot of times you see pictures of them coming to cheese. I'm very scared of them. What could it be? It says owl in that word. It's a mouse. My turn. Mouse, diphthong, OU, owl. Say it with me. Mouse, diphthong, OU, owl. Your turn. Mouse, diphthong, OU, owl. All right, your next one. All right, this is the digraph OU. This says ooh. All right, this is something you have a lot in the winter or when you're sick. You eat it with a spoon. It usually has vegetables. It can have meat. A lot of kids like chicken noodle the best of this. What do you think it is? Soup. Soup. Here we go. Soup. Digraph OU, ooh. Say it again. Soup. Digraph OU, ooh. Your turn. Soup. Digraph OU, ooh. All right, let's practice on the back. New sounds and words. Number 1. All right. Now, Diphthong OU is the regular spelling pattern for OU. So most of the time when you see OU, it's going to be this sound, the ow sound. Alright? It can say the oo sound, but most of this time it's going to be this sound. So we'll always try the ow sound first. If it doesn't work, then we try the oo sound, okay? So, when I call it out on practice, I will always call out the ow sound for OU. Alright, so on number 1, my turn. Ow. Excuse me. Yes, ow. Yes, ow. Write it. Alright, what 2 letters can make the ow sound? OU, like in mouse. Write it. So we're going to practice with the OU, ow. Number 2, let's spell the word out. I want to go out and play. Out. Tell me the sounds in out. Get ready. Out. Spell out on number 2. All right, spell it. O-U-T. What word? Out. Number 3. Count. Count. I need to count my money. Count. Tell me the sounds you hear in count. Get ready. K. Ow. T. Again. K. Ow. T. Spell count on number 3. Spell it. C-O-U-N-T. What word? Count. Number 4. Sound. Sound. What is that sound I hear? Sound. Get ready. S. Ow. And. Again. S. Ow. And. Sound. Write it on number 4. Alright, let's spell sound. S-O-U-N-D. What word? Sound. Alright, practice the words at the bottom with someone at home. Read them out loud and spell them out loud to someone and let them check it off. Alright, now we're going to go to the front side, worksheet 57. Make sure you're on the side where it says name and it matches mine. diphthong OU that says ow, digraph OU that says oo. Remember, this is the regular spelling. All right, this is the spelling you would try second. All right, so number 1. All right, what do we need to code? All right, we do have OU. We've got to figure out what sound of OU. We have digraph TH we can underline. All right, so let's start out with the ow sound and try it. Ow. South. Does that make sense? Yes. So we use an arc. All right, south. Number 2. What do we do? All right, let's start out and try the ow sound. Ow. Does that make sense? No. So try the oo sound. Ooh. Does it make sense? Yes. So we have to use OU as a digraph. Long U sound. Number 3. What do we have? Digraph EA. All right, the most common sound of EA is what, boys and girls? Long E. So let's try it first. Eel, meal. Yes, we even have a picture of a meal. So now we code it that way. Macron over the E, cross out the A. Meal. Number 4. What do you see? Final stable syllable. TLE. Now get rid of our sneaky E. Accents on the first syllable. Vowel followed by a consonant is short. And that C is needing a K back. Alright. Cattle. What word? Cattle. What are cattle? A group of cows. Alright, number 5. Lucy combination ER. Alright, now what do you see? You've got 2 vowels. So we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Where do we divide? Between our 2 consonants. Accent is on the first syllable. Vowel followed by a consonant is short. Butter. What word? Butter. All right, next word. Ghost letter digraph. KN. Which one is the ghost letter? K. Vowel followed by a consonant is short. Ought. What word? Not. All right, the next part. A suffix is an ending like S, ING, ED, or less that is added to a root word. The meaning of a word with a suffix is not the same as the meaning of the word without a suffix. Name a suffix. Underline where you could find a suffix. All right, the first sentence gives you a whole set of suffixes. A suffix is an ending like s, ing, ed, or less. Those added to a root word. So I'm going to pick ing. All right, you could pick any of them. Number 8. A suffix is added to a blank word. Ending, meaning, or root. All right, it says it is added to a what? A root word. So I'm going to bubble it in and I'm going to write it in my blank. Number 9. A word has the same meaning with a suffix as it has without one. Yes or no? It says the meaning of a word with a suffix is not the same as the meaning of the word without it. So what's the answer, guys? No, it's not. It's not the same. No. That is not the truth. It changes it. Remember when we add that suffix, it changes the meaning of the word. All right, you're going to complete the back. Also today, you have a new decodable. It's decodable 10 called Lost and Found. It's going to go over your ghost letter digraphs and diphthong and digraph OU from today. And I will have it in a separate video that I will send out, okay? So you will do it also today. It will be attached in the lesson. So make sure you have your decodable and you will use it in there as well. Do your best work today.